Welcome all of you. My name is Pandarkar Bhagyashree Bhausaheb. I am B.Ed second year student and I am B.Ed completed from Sanjeevani Pratishthan Education of College Kurund, Taluka Shirur, Dist Ahmednagar. My session year is 2020 and 2021. My course number is 2012. My course name is Entrepreneurship Development. My practical name is Development of Product. My subject is Physics and my topic name is Work and Energy. This topic guided for me Professor Kare sir. Now, firstly, we study what is the work. Firstly, definition of work. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of the object. What means? Work means we selected any object. Consider that a chair will be selected in the form of object and we push this chair backward direction, then this chair will be moved from one place to another place. That is, work will be done from this chair. That is, he displaced from one place to another place, which is the example of work. Hence, definition of work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of the object. And the example of work is, if we push the chair, then chair will be moved from one place to another. Now we observe this girl writing something on the paper. That is, this girl will be form a work on the paper, which is the another example of work done. We observe this man, that is, this man forms a work, which is the another example of work done. The another example of works are, first is when we walk, then work will be done. Second example is when we run, then work will be done. Third is moving a chair, which is also example of work. Fourth is a car moving forward, then which is forms a work. And fifth is kicking a football, then forms a work, which is the examples of work. Now we study the types of work. There are three types of work. First is positive work, second is negative work, and third is zero work. Hence, works are formed in three types: positive, negative, and zero work. Now we study the types of work one by one. Firstly, studied what is the positive work. Definition of positive work, which says that when the force and the displacement are in the same direction, then work done by the force is positive. That means when any external force applied on any object, then he displaced in the same direction, then this forms a work, which is the positive work. Consider that the examples of positive work, first is pushing and moving a table. That is, table which is any object and we push this table in forward direction. That is, we forms a direction and applied force are in same. Hence, which is the example of positive work. Now we observe the second example, throwing a stone. If a stone throwing in upward direction, then applied force and stone are in both are move in upward direction, that is force and direction are same, which is the example of work. We observe this girl. She is moving a forward direction and it forms a small toy, its hand, and this toy is also are in a forward direction. That is, the applied force and the displacement are in same direction. Hence, this is the example of positive work done. Now we study negative work. Firstly, definition of negative work. When the force and the displacement are in opposite direction, the work done by the force is negative. That is, when applied force and the displacement are in opposite direction, then forms a negative work. Now observe that the examples of negative work. First is the work done by the frictional force of air when a ball is falling downwards. That is the work of frictional force of air. Frictional force are in upward direction and the ball falling are in downward direction. That is, force and displacement are in opposite direction. Hence, which is the example of negative work. Now we observe the second example. The work is done by gravitational force when we are climbing on a tree, which is the another example of negative work when force and the displacement are in opposite direction. Now we study the last type of work, which is the zero work. Definition of zero work is says that when the applied force does not cause any displacement or when the force and the displacement are perpendicular to each other, the work done by the force is zero. That is, no work will be done. For example, we observe the first example. A person holds a bundle of hay over his head for 30 minutes and gets tired. That is, any person standing in a standard position up to 30 minutes. Hence, it does not form any work, which is the example of zero work. Now we observe that the second example, you are carrying two bags in your hands and not moving. That is, you are from a standing position. Hence does not form a work, which is the another example of zero work. Hence we study positive, negative and zero work. Now we study the unit of work. The SI unit of force is Newton and it is denoted by capital N, and the SI unit of the displacement is meter and it is denoted by small m. We know that the formula work is equal to force into displacement. Hence, the SI unit of work is Newton meter and it is denoted by capital N into small m. Now we study what is the CGS unit of work. We know that the CGS unit of the force is dyne and the displacement is centimeter, and we also know the formula work is equal to force into displacement. Hence the CGS unit of work is dyne centimeter. Hence we observed the SI unit and CGS unit of the work. Now we study the topic energy. Firstly, definition of energy. The capacity for doing a work is called as energy. That is, we form any work. This work will be done for some capacity, which is the definition of energy. The SI unit of energy is joule and CGS unit is erg. Now we study types of energy. We know that the two main types of energy, first is kinetic energy and second is potential energy. Hence we study one by one, first kinetic energy and then potential energy. Now we study kinetic energy first. Firstly, definition of the kinetic energy. The work done on the object is called kinetic energy. That is, we select that any object and work will be performed on this object, which is the kinetic energy. Now we observe that what is the example of kinetic energy. First example is a fast cricket ball strikes the stumps, which is the example of kinetic energy. In this example, stump are the object and work will be done on this stump, hence which is the example of kinetic energy. Second is the striker hits a coin on the carom board, which is the another example of kinetic energy. In this example, carom board are the object, hence which is kinetic. Now we study the another type of energy, which is the potential energy. Definition is the energy stored in an object is called potential energy. That means any energy can be stored of any object, which is the potential energy. Now we observe the example of potential energy. First example is a compressed spring is released, which is the example of potential energy. That is, we compress the some energy and then it released, which is the example. Second example is an arrow is released from stretch bow, which is the another example of potential energy. Hence we study the two types of energy. First is kinetic energy and second is potential energy with its example. We know that the another type of energy, first is mechanical energy, second is electrical energy, third is heat energy, fourth is light energy, fifth is chemical energy, sixth is sound energy, which is the another type of energy expressed from kinetic energy and potential energy. Now we study the last point in this topic, law of conservation of energy. Definition is energy can be neither be created nor be destroyed. That is, this energy can be converted from one form into another, which is the example of law of conservation of energy. Hence, in this topic, we have to study what is the work, what is the types of work, its example, what is the energy, its type. Thank you so much.